Hey everybody, my final test here of my lifting device that I had hoped to use inside my B9 arms. What I have here is I've got about 3 pounds of weight hanging off of this thing, and that is the actual claw and wrist section of the B9 that I'm going to be using in my arms. And that's the inside of it, and the length represents a little bit longer than the arm that I'm going to actually have. So this is pretty close to the length of the weight and the leverage that I'm going to have. Give me a good idea. Basically, I'm going to have actually more weight because I'm going to end up putting a servo inside of there and some brackets and another set of servo joints right up in here somewhere, about 5 inches down. So it'll be, well, maybe a couple pounds heavier, plus the rubber that goes around everything. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I got. Also, what I got here, I had it. I had to pump it up to like 24 volts to get it to lift anything. And it was working really good at this position. It was lifting this weight just fine right here. Then I added a piece on and hung my weight off of there. That's 3 pounds, and it just wouldn't lift it. That extra leverage, the extra length, just wouldn't get it. Again, I got 2 Bosch motors, worm gear motors tied together here. They're rated at 12 volts. I got them pumped up to 24 volts through that cool little inverter right there, running off of a 12 volt computer power supply, and just a gobble wires coming to a H-bridge, Pulo H-bridge, all controlled by EZB robot controller board through software on my laptop connected through Bluetooth. And let me show you really quick here what's going on. Like I had in my last video, I've got this one right here is my up, and that's my down on my EZB robot ports. And this actually is my ADC reading a pot that is actually inside of here. So we're not going to go into that. I showed you that before. Just want to show you what's going on here. I'm going to turn on the up, and you can see on the H-bridge my light's on. It's not going anywhere. But once I lift some of the weight off of here, you can see she takes off. Just doesn't do it. Which is kind of sad because these are cool little motors. So I may, here, let's take them down. I turn off my port here. That'll shut it off. See the lights off on the H-bridge. And I'm going to scoot over here to this one right there. And I'm going to pull away and I'll click it and you'll see it come down okay.